Welcome to NoMenu. If you are the restaurant owner who started your restaurant operations, this is the video that you would like to watch. Welcome to NoMenu series. If you haven't visited our website, just visit www.nomenu.us as you can see in the video. So this is the complete product that you can establish your restaurant operations completely and very smoothly to operate your front end of operations as well as the kitchen operations. Whenever customer walk in, they don't have to communicate with anyone. They just use the QR scan to place a order and communicate with the managing staff and getting rewards. Everything done in a single platform without any additional software setup or additional apps to install. It's just frictionless, very smooth, and very available operating system for the entire restaurant. And restaurant owners, especially, they don't need to install any proprietary hardware or anything. You can bring your own devices like iPad or any TV screen to see the kitchen operations and orders. That's all that you can set up. This product will be work for anywhere across all the platform. More than 135 countries they can use this application and they can operate their restaurant operations very smoothly. And we don't provide any contract for year to year upgrades or anything. It's zero setup, no human required, no salesperson required to do anything for your setup. You can set up all it takes 15 minutes of time. Go through the website nomenu.us and few of the clients that they were appreciated our product and they are started using, and just customer walk in, they can communicate directly to kitchen by ordering through QR, and front of the house operations can be smoothly and efficiently done by the front of the house management. So today I would like to explain one of the key features that we implemented to manage these both operations, both kitchen as well as front of the house operations. So let me log in and show into the dashboard how it looks and how it can be operated very smoothly. And if you haven't subscribed yet, just subscribe this YouTube channel, or else if you are a new restaurant owner, just log in or sign up your free menu creation and then go to one of the plans that we are providing. We have 4 plans: Pro Plan, Elite, Enterprise, that are the paid plans where we are offering certain benefits. The most popular plan is Elite plan. And if you compare with any legacy environment, this is how we are differentiating with all others by providing a instant gratification for your entire restaurant operations. So let me get started. The two features that we implemented recently, I'm just navigating and logging to the portal. Since I already logged in, I'm just going to the dashboard. As you see here, so if you are a restaurant owner who are very busy and occupied with customer orders, so uh, this is the two things that we differentiated the applications to manage the operations very quickly. So you can create the menus here, and you can create the menu items here, particularly for each menu, and you can customize the themes here, and you can manage your entire QR system for each table, each cabana, each hotel room, whatever it is. And this is the feature I talked about in the earlier session, like front of the house. So you can manage your entire floor, manage the entire waiting list of the staff who is waiting to enter into the hotel or restaurant room, and what are the active tabs who are currently sitting, you can manage here, and you can manage the entire order history and everything, and prior to dining. So this is where how the kitchen display system would look like, where the entire kitchen orders, uh, what is getting prepared and what is done, who is cancelled. So everything that you can see in your kitchen. And this is where the feedback, where you can customer can give the feedback instantly. They don't have to go out of the system, out of the QR code, and go to the Google and then talk about bad. Before even they go and review bad about you, you can manage your customers and you give recovery before even they do damage for your restaurant. They can communicate through the QR scan itself. They can communicate directly to the manager based on the specific time interval that's set by the restaurant, and you can make them a rewarding member whenever they give the good rating for you. And then if they visit for more than 10 times, you are appreciating with a reward offer with 10% or 50% based on your choice. You can customize everything here. And we have a 100-step stamp program, which is called each stamp. Whenever the customer visits again, he get a credit of one stamp. The more number of visits the customer visits, you are appreciating giving an offers, and you can give a grand total price of 100. It's completely loyalty program that you can invite him to be a part of that, and you can only customize for your each restaurant what kind of offers that you would like to give. You can redesign your card membership. They don't have to install any app. They just scan through the operating system of NoMenu. It does everything, and you have a beautiful analytics of the restaurant, what are the today orders and historical orders, how the conversion rate between the scans, and what kind of menu leaders that you can see, and how the table traffic is there. You can categorize everything here in the business insights, where you can take a business decisions. And we have integrated POS systems, where Square is one of the POS system, and if you don't want it to Square to integrate, still it works completely. And we have completely integrated with the Stripe your entire payment processing. If you wanted to not to involve any payments and you wanted to use the application, yes, you can go with the uh, and elite plan. So you can completely control your 100% revenue of your business just to use this platform to communicate with the orders. You can do the completely. And this is a referral program where you can earn up to $100. You can get benefit of this program being a restaurant owner. You can invite other restaurant owners to be a part of this registration, so you can get benefited. And also you can set up your restaurant profile, and you can invite your restaurant staff, and you can see the billing things, where we have this annual plan and monthly plans, where your annual subscription will get 10% off for a year. And since I am talking about the specific team and staff, so if your restaurant is very busy, so you just go to dashboard. You need only these two screens, okay? Where kitchen ops. Whenever you open the kitchen ops, if it is a priority dine-in or takeaway or priority reserve, okay? You have two operations. You just open in your kitchen, it just show a big screen, what are the orders coming, how it is being migrated, everything you can see on live. And if you go back, this is another system where you can give to another staffing member, where he can operate completely the operations of the front of the house. So they can view the complete main floor, and they can manage the custom floors, and they can invite the people to the tables by managing the wait list staff outside. I mean, sorry, a wait list of the customers who are waiting outside of the restaurant, and active tabs, the tables who are actually sitting, who get paid, and you can track their money payments in this particular tab, and feedbacks instantly get communicated here in the board, where you don't have to go and navigate each tab. It just make it so simple to see everything by the front of the house. And if the customer wanted revisited again, you can generate a stamp for him to give instantly on his table access. So these two things will make entire application, entire platform to operate in two devices, two tabs, or two to any platform that you are using, okay? Since we are not proprietary software or hardware that we are installing, so you can use your own restaurant operations through iPad. So smooth, so convenient, so eliminate the duplicate work of opening each tab for the priority dining or taking takeaway and priority dine outs, as well as feedback. So all this operation can done through these two applications. So you don't have to specifically go and invite your restaurant staff here to make it more manageable. Rather, a two systems integrated with the same application or same login, you can get the same benefit of using the entire operating system. Okay, rather than going to individual tabs and opening the full screen, you can use these complete operations to manage the entire kitchen operations with this, as well as the customer operations through the front of the house manager. That's how this built in. So if you are a new user, if you are having a restaurant which you wanted to make it more customizable, friendly, this is the platform that required. I hope it get benefit for the new restaurant owners and also the upcoming restaurant owners who wanted to establish the business with us. You always welcome to our channel, or else welcome to our portfolio, and just subscribe the any one of the plan that we are offering. Okay, thank you so much for seeing these videos. I am hoping that my videos giving you some meaningful information for the people. um, Thank you so much.